Edgar Lungu's family has challenged the Pretoria High Court's decision to repatriate his body to Zambia. Sarabena mashoko ari kuda panguva ino achinzi just in panguva ino the Edgar Changwa Lungu family unokunzi successfully appeal against repatriation. Panguva ino kunokunzi the judgment yakapuwa yesterday yekuti aiwa Edgar Lungu afanira kumuviwa his body aiwa to Zambia kunoitwa a state burial munyika yeZambia. Panguva ino they have rejected it. Sanabena mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino aiwa ari kunyorwa panguva ino nezim ainombo subscribe like watamba bell kuti bina munapona pa vamuchinzi appeal filed, no movement of ECO's body to anyway by anybody. Tibina munaomudanyira chiti former first lady Mama Esther Lungu family appeal. The family of the late Zambia's sixth president Dr. Edgar Chagwa Lungu has successfully filed an appeal against the judgment delivered on Friday, 8 August 2025 by the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria. Earlier, the South African High Court ruled that Zambia's government should repatriate the body of former President Edgar Lungu and give him a state burial, despite the family's opposition. Acting Judge President Aubrey Ledwaba delivered the ruling and emphasized that public interest overrides personal wishes when it comes to the burial of a former head of state. He was part of a full bench of 3 judges. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva topinda panapa macomments vanomudanyira chiti more money than sense. South African courts should stick to its decision. Vamuda chiti there are lawyers who will escort you to court until you are finally jailed, as long as you still have money to pay them, but others will immediately give you any advice to save your resources. Vamuda chiti imagine 150 cars for Lungu. Vamuda chiti who is advising them? Vamuda chiti the way she was shedding crocodile tears was embarrassing. Vanobuda chiri something very fishy here. Vanobuda chiri there is more to this nonsense than meets the eye. Foolish widow. Vanobuda chiri non-starter, it will come here. Vanobuda chiri wrong advice. Ndomashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari kukomendwa nevanhu pamusoro aiwa penhau yekunzi Edgar Lungu aitiwe a state funeral. Zviri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa some of the people advising them kuti vachallenge the court judgment. Tidze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Na comment section medu, subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.